In this video, I'm gonna be draining and filling the primary and secondary coolant in my 6.7 Powerstroke using this radiator drain valve wrench. Let's get into it. All right, let's see if we can get this angle.
All right.
Let's see here.
Charlie.
Which way is... Petcock has started to come out. This is way easier with this little wrench. Holy crap. All right. And you don't want to turn it any more past where it's at because it will break off.
This is like pretty
Coming
good
from
for
somebody
ice climbing,
who has
all things
broken it
considered.
off himself.
Because after the last time I got sick, I've been like low-key adamant about not being around sick people.
And when I'm draining the coolant, I like to just crack this or completely take it off, whatever you want to do, but leave maybe a couple threads on there so you don't lose it. I know, you think they make the one up here easy, but
Like, you literally just put it on the other side and be totally fine.
there it is, the old thermostat mate. Oh, nice. Thermostat.
Thermostats.
Check it out.
For your health.
They look pretty clean.
Look very clean.
Still the wrench up there. We're gonna close this up so we can start putting coolant back in. That is the easiest time I've ever had doing a drain and fill of my coolant with this thing. If you don't have this thing, get it. I'll link below, but just because we can. No. I guess you won't find out until the...
Until you start it and it sprays everywhere.
Yeah, that... Nice.
Or you like get like 20 miles down the road and then it pops off.
I mean,
No,
will you be able to tell
it's
if the...
I'm being a little bit
the
excessive.
metal clamp, won't it? Like, you can't get that metal clip on unless the...
I'm being excessive, it's fine.
So I can dump coolant in here?
Yes.
Perfect.
That we didn't have to do with the spring clamps. I brought my spring clamp doohickey and we didn't even need it.
Uh-oh. Lefty loosey, I guess. Get in there. Come on, boy. Yeah. All right, there it goes. So I typically try to run the truck for a bit and then recheck the reservoirs. And you're probably, even after you do this, you're gonna wanna carry a bottle of coolant with you because as you drive and the truck goes and gets up to operating temperature, it is going to require more coolant to be added. It's just how the cookie crumbles, unfortunately. I mean, that actually really didn't go that far.
It's the same if you read it from the top of the earth to the bottom.
True. If when I go to the shop tomorrow, you should give me any coolant you have if you need it disposed of, and I could.
Got rid of all of it.
Oh dang. Well, that's pretty dialed. Dude, draining and filling the coolant is super easy. Would just recommend before you drain your coolant, finding a place that will take the coolant because we've had that issue before where doing a drain and fill and you don't have anywhere to take all the 6 gallons of coolant that just came out of your vehicle. So definitely plan ahead, but this wrench is super awesome. They sent this to me, the manufacturers, and I will definitely include a link. It makes doing this whole job like way easier. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We'll see you next time here on Powerstroke Maintenance. Cheers.